Okay, hello guys, just wanted to show you that mouse right here. Just came, well, last night actually, but it came a little bit late, so it was since I was occupied in making other videos. Those actually were meant to come, sorry, after 2 days time, yet it came completely fast, and as you see I'm making the video here for the review of the cable, and later I'm be making the one with the mouse. Now the product itself is for only 4 euros. You see, cinch out of nothing. And you see they send proof tracing number. It's because this mouse that I'm using is pathetic and is completely 100% useless. That's the mouse. 1.5 meter cable, 3000 dpa. But I did got a code. There's also a black version, but I think it was, well, it's still available, but I like the red version more. So comment in the comment section below, let me know if you share or not my opinion. This one is €3.67, and this one is €3.67 as well, but back when I ordered them, I think there might have been a difference in the price. Either way, that's basically on that short video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.